Is your Toshiba Fire TV stuck on loading screen or the Fire TV logo with 3 dots flashing? Don't worry. Let's try these easy troubleshooting steps and get your Fire TV to boot up in minutes. The first thing that we're gonna try is cold booting or soft resetting our TV. So while it's stuck on the logo, just unplug it from power and wait for at least 10 minutes or half an hour if you can. Then plug your TV back in and see if it can boot up properly. If it's still stuck on the loading screen or the Fire TV logo, then check whether you have any HDMI or USB devices plugged into your TV. If you do, then turn your TV off and unplug all of them. In some cases, it can also happen because of a faulty Fire TV remote. So to cross these probabilities out, remove batteries from your Toshiba Fire TV remote, including any other Fire TV remote you have. Now turn your TV back on using the onboard power button and see if it's fixed. If it's still stuck, faulty power cable is another reason why this can happen. So you should also check the cable for damage, and if it's detachable, try switching to a new one. Also, to make sure your TV is getting sufficient power to boot up, you should try plugging your TV directly into a wall socket or change the power outlet and see what happens. And there's a chance that it will fix it. If none of these steps helped, then the next step will definitely fix this. For this, you'll need to unplug your TV's power cable once again, and while it's unplugged, hold down your TV's power button and plug the cable back in. Let go after you see the Toshiba Fire TV logo, and it will take your TV to Android recovery. Here, the first thing that you'll try is wiping cache partition. To go down to it, short press on the power button until it's highlighted, then to select, long press until it turns green. Let go, and you'll need to go down to yes, and select it by long pressing. Now at the bottom left corner, it will say cache wipe complete. Now go ahead and choose the Reboot System Now option and check if the TV turns on. If it doesn't, then follow the same process and come back here. And now we have no other option left other than selecting Wipe Data/Factory Reset. But note that this will delete any app that you installed, and you'll just need to set your TV back up just like it was out of the box. But hopefully this will get you out of this situation so that you can enjoy your Toshiba Fire TV once again. That's all. Let us know which step worked, and I'll see you in the next one.